The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2021 through 2025 Genesis GV80 with flush rails. We've just installed a Thule WingBar Evo flush rail complete roof rack. This bundle is comprised of the 53-inch WingBar Evo in black, also available in silver, the Evo flush rail foot pack, and vehicle-specific fitting kit 186077. Locks are available separately as an accessory, but are not required. Crossbars are mounted at 27.5 inches center to center. Weight capacity for this roof is 165 pounds evenly distributed. This is a multi-purpose roof rack that can handle lots of different gear like kayaks, bikes, luggage, and more. Well, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. Make sure to use the link in the description below when making your purchase to ensure you get all the correct parts. Thank you for your support, and like always, thanks for watching.